Succession planning is the basis for a company dealing successfully with staffing changes such as retirements, transfers, promotions, and turnover. Succession planning is the process of preparing for inevitable vacancies in the organization's hierarchy. It involves more than simply replacement planning. Replacement planning usually involves creating a list of temporary replacements for important jobs, especially during crisis situations. Succession planning should include a well-designed development system for employees since it takes advantage of 2 or 3 years to develop a qualified successor. Succession planning follows 5 logical steps. These steps include: first, integrate with strategy; second, involve top management; third, assess key talent; fourth, follow development practices; and fifth, monitor and evaluate. Let's take a look at each. All of the work involved in succession planning should result in 2 outcomes. First, identification of potential emergency replacements for critical positions, and second, other successors who will be ready with some additional development. When it comes to integrating with strategy, ask these questions. What competencies will be needed? What jobs will be critical? How should critical positions be filled, and are international assignments required? When involving top management, ask, what is the CEO's role in succession planning? Are high-level executives involved? Are top executives mentoring others? And is there accountability for succession goals? When it comes to assessing key talent, ask, does the employee have important competencies? What's missing? Do assessments provide useful information? Are results examined to determine talents? And are individuals and career goals compatible? Follow development practices and ask, how can important competencies be developed? Can an individual interact with executives? Can talent pools be created for top-level jobs? And what are the incentives for development? When you monitor and evaluate, ask, are multiple metrics used? Are successors effective after placement? Are positions filled internally? Are positions filled externally? And is the process viewed favorably? The individuals identified as possible successors should be told what specific development they need and possible action steps to build their competencies.